Hello and welcome back guys. My name is Divyanshu Ved and this is our fourth video tutorial on Arduino tutorial series. So hope you guys have followed our last video tutorial. In that video tutorial we have discussed about for loop because we are going to use for loop in this video tutorial. So in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about serial port programming. So first thing comes in your mind is what is serial port programming? Serial port programming is a basically concept of the communication between two systems. Now, I'll give you one example. Suppose you want to blink LED on your Arduino and you want to check how many times your LEDs are blinking on your system. So, you have to transmit some data from your Arduino to the system. And that time you have to use serial programming. So, before starting serial programming on Arduino, you need to know few things like serial.begin. That is the command. With the help of this command, you can open the serial port of Arduino, or you can say of your hardware. And the another thing is 9600. That is the baud rate, basically on which speed your communication is happening. So that calls a baud rate, or you can say a pulse rate. Now the next thing is serial monitor. So this button, when you click on this button, it will open the serial monitor. So on the upper side it will show on which COM port your Arduino is connected, and suppose if you want to hold the screen and want to check something, so you can uncheck the auto scroll, it will hold the screen. Now new line means next thing whatever you want to print, it will print in new line, and that is the baud rate. So we have selected 9600. So we will see one basic example of serial programming, that is printing of hello world on serial monitor. We will see the code of that experiment. See here we are having void setup, and inside void setup we have opened the serial port with the help of serial.begin, and we have declared the baud rate 9600, and inside void loop we are printing hello world with the help of serial.println, and that serial.println used to print the string in new line, and we are providing some delay 250 millisecond. So we will cross check the result on serial monitor. I'm uploading the code to the Arduino, and after uploading the code I will open serial monitor, and you can see that the string that is printing on serial monitor. Now let's start the second experiment. So for second experiment we need to understand some requirement and the circuit diagram. So the requirements are one Arduino Uno board, one laptop, one breadboard, and one 3mm or 5mm LED, and 1 kilo ohm of resistor, and one USB cable and jumper wire. Now we will see circuit diagram. So here is our circuit diagram. Here I have connected one red LED on pin number 13 with the help of yellow wire, and with the help of black wire I have connected the ground pin of LED. Now we will see the code for this experiment. This is the program for that experiment. Now here on pin number 13 we have connected the LED, and inside void setup we are starting our serial communication with the help of serial.begin, and that 9600 is a baud rate, and inside void loop we have initialized one for loop that is from 1 to 5, that means it will run 5 times, and the value of I we are printing with the help of serial.println, and that serial.println is used to print in new line, and here we are blinking a LED. So the number of times our LED will blink, the same number we will print on serial monitor. So just cross check the result on serial monitor, as well as on hardware. So I'm uploading the program in Arduino and we will see the result on serial monitor as well as on Arduino. So just see the result on serial monitor and on hardware also. And there is a checkbox called auto scroll. If I will uncheck that checkbox, it will be on manual mode. If I'll check in, then it will be on auto scroll mode. Now we can see our third experiment, and in that experiment circuit diagram is same and the requirements are same. Now what we are doing is printing the value of blinking and some string in well structured form so that you can easily visualize the result. Now I'm uploading the code to the Arduino and we will see the result. Here you can see the result. You can easily visualize that when your red LED is starting to blink and the numbers first, second, third and fourth. So you can see the result on serial monitor as well as on hardware. So hope you guys like our video tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share our video channel and we will meet in our next video tutorial. Thank you.